Warrington Museum and Art Gallery is currently hosting a new exhibition by local photographer Chris Rose. Figured Out: Toy Stories in Nature will run from the 5th of April to the 15th of June. The exhibition features photographs of familiar toys and action figures staged in real outdoor locations across the Northwest. Chris Rose explores nostalgia and the links between photography and narrative. The exhibit also includes an interactive toy spotting trail for children, allowing all age groups to engage with the images and the museum space.